Hello guys, welcome to the Honest 3D tool farm review. This is the best review you can ever get on the internet. And the reason why I said this is because I'm basically reviewing the in-depth of this software that teaches you guys how to unlock the power of cutting edge 3D animation studio to create stunning videos in any niche within minutes. But before you purchase it, I want to run a background. I ran a background check to give you guys a review on why you need it or if it's the right 3D animation tool you need or not. After this review, if you like to buy the 3D tool, you buy it, you can purchase it because by then you have assurance that you are making the right purchase of the right product. So the big question is this 3D really worth your money? And I'll tell you if it ticks all the boxes, and if it does, I'll give you some excellent complimentary bonus you can get from me today. My goal is to help you to make an informed decision so you don't waste your money. Now let's jump into the next section of the 3D Toon review to find out what 3D Toon is and how it can help you and your business. 3D Toon is the world's most advanced, futuristic and revolutionary video library of elements to be used in your favorite video editor or video creation software. Here's how it works in three simple steps. Step one is select your template, choose a template that resonates with your brand voice. Step two, edit and create, edit it to suit your needs, create a compelling story around it. Then step three, video ready to be used. Your video is ready to be used and posted on your socials or websites for promotion. I know what you're thinking, is it even possible to add so many incredible features in just a single piece of software? Oh well, they just did. And if you think 3D Toon will take your animated video production to a whole new level, you are right. So don't wait and see for yourself what 3D Tool can really do for business revenue and sales by locking it at an unbelievable low early bird price today. 3D Toon is literally the only animated video studio you ever need to create unlimited stunning animated videos for your brand within minutes, zero design skill required. And I'm pretty sure you guys know about the pricing and the upsell involved, everything. Front end offer is the main software 3D tool which will cost you $27 for the front end offer. The price you see now is available only during the launch period. If you decide to buy the 3D tool, make sure that you know you are fully, like, it's your decision. It's not like you buy something and you later regret that you bought the product, which is really not good. So the 3D tool feature and benefits. Here are some you never seen before highly fascinating features of 3D tool. Learn easily with a step-by-step guide in a few minutes. Create unlimited stunning 3D animated videos within minutes. Experience the most advanced 3D animated video creator on earth. Choose from hundreds of preset 3D templates and animation. Say goodbye to working with expensive freelancer or editing software. The most advanced and futuristic 3D animation studio that is super easy to use. Limitless possibilities to create interactive and dynamic videos, all done for you. 3D animation set. All in one solution, no need to buy separate modules and extension software. No complicated abilities are needed. Even newbies can easily create sophisticated high quality professional 3D videos. Take your storytelling to the next level by evoking emotion and get more customers than ever before. With personalized video, you can build credibility and earn potential clients' trust. With an attractive design, you can attract customers and generate more leads, thereby increasing your conversion rate. With 3D tool, no need to waste money on expensive animator as can create videos yourself. Select design from hundreds of 3D animation sets and templates to create videos that match your niche. Create animated videos with ease even if you have zero design skill. Get access to easy to follow step-by-step guide. With 3D tool, you can use the built-in media library with royalty-free image, videos and music. So for the whole conclusion for this is, I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. The system is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Take action ASAP for the best deal. Remember, if you buy this product, it will help you a lot. It really help you a lot in your video editing or content creation. So yeah, that's it for this is the review I want to make about 3D tool. I've checked online, I've literally seen zero any bad review about their software, about their tool. So yeah, it's a tool that is working well and you guys should try it out. Have a